See, I am a hardcore Bollywood girl. Don't run from your house. It's your time. Yes, it is true. कोई पास ही नहीं कर पाया है. I'm a Pahadi girl. At least they're thinking about me. Hi guys. So I'll be answering a couple of questions that I've got. So let's start it. The first one is, do you remember how you got your first break? What did you learn from the initial days of struggle? I have an uncle and he really used to see me doing a lot of cultural activities and dance and sports and everything, and he used to encourage me a lot. And then I became Miss Uttarakhand when I was in college. At that point he gave me a show. I had no idea that I'm going to do anything like that, but that time I got a show which I did for good 4 years, which is called Uttarakhand Darshan for Doordarshan. And I used to travel every month from Pune to Dehradun to shoot for that. And trust me, I think उस शो की वजह से एक मेरी हिंदी बहुत साफ हो गई, और दूसरा ये मुझे स्क्रिप्ट बहुत जल्दी याद हो जाती है, क्योंकि उनकी स्क्रिप्ट बहुत लंबी लंबी होती थी. मैं पूरे दिन लर्न करती थी उसे जैसे भी, एंड रात को मैं वो शूट करती थी. और प्रॉब्लम ये थी कि टेलीप्रॉम्प्टर नहीं थे, तो एक बार भी गलती की तो स्टार्टिंग से मुझे पूरा शूट करना पड़ेगा. इट यूज्ड टू बी वेरी स्ट्रेसफुल फॉर मी, बट आई थिंक थैंक्स टू दैट शो I can learn script like this. No, it's not a big challenge for me. So that's what I learned from my first show that I did. Next question is, which career path would you have gone with other than acting? Army officer. I come from an army background 100% because I was preparing for it. I was doing my graduation only to get into army. What is your fitness mantra? Listen to your body and give 1 hour of that workout to your body. Whichever form. You like doing Pilates, do Pilates. You like doing cycling, do that. You like running, do that. Your body always tells you, like my body always tells me, listen, it's done with the weights. I'm not going to do that, and I want to do functional. I do that. If you feel like doing yoga, do yoga. But what your heart says and your body says, do that, and you will be happy for it. What is your secret behind your flawless? I would give credit to my mom and dad. And yes, I'm a Pahadi girl, so we have good fair complexion and good skin that is gifted to us. But yes, because weather or sun rays itni harsh hain, so I do follow my routine of proper moisturizing, cleaning, moisturizing and sunscreen. It's very important, and after that we do makeup or everything. And I try, the normal days I don't try. I try not to put a lot of makeup otherwise. What are the hurdles you faced as a woman in entering entertainment industry? Hurdles are there, every profession has. सभी को हर्डल, तो ये सबसे बड़ा हर्डल है that you get the right break, जिसके लिए हर कोई बहुत मेहनत करता है. We all have faced some kind of hurdles here or there when we enter any kind of industry, not just entertainment industry but anywhere, because जब आप नए होते हैं तो आपको उस जगह अपनी जगह बनाने में टाइम लगता है. So I think it is for every field, not just for entertainment. Next is, as a woman, how difficult it is to manage a home and career? I think now I realize it's very difficult. अभी क्योंकि lockdown है, I have to do everything. My mom is not here; she's in Dehradun. And hats off to all the ladies who take care of home and office together. Okay, let's do the next one. As a gorgeous woman, do you often be objectified? How do you deal with such a thing? I don't have time to think for all that. So if they want to do it, do it, dude. At least they're thinking about me. I think that's okay. Anywhere people do that, they objectify you in any which ways, and it doesn't bother me at all. It's okay. We often see celebrities follow a strict diet. Is it true, and how do you manage? Yes, it is true. It is not false. We all follow a strict diet for a healthy living. It's not just because we are an actor or actresses, so we need to. No, I think everybody should do it, and it is true. We should do it, and we do see the results. Who is your celebrity crush in Bollywood and Hollywood? See, I am a hardcore Bollywood girl. I have a lot of crush in many of Bollywood actors. But my childhood crush, like जिनको आज तक कोई पास ही नहीं कर पाया है, is Gerard Butler. I just love the way he looks. I just love his intensity. I love him. Like, I just love him. He's I don't know, I love him or I have a crush on him, but I have something for him. Okay, if you were given a chance to be a superhero, what type of power would you like to have, and what would you have done with it? Oh my god, superpower. Oh, I want to have so many superpowers, but one major superpower I want to have is to know what the other person is thinking, what he has in or she has in her mind. because it'll make my life so easy. I just want to know what they're thinking, and then accordingly I can do whatever I want to do. So that power I want. And also, change people's decisions. How are you taking care of your skin in lockdown? I am taking good sleep, I'm drinking a lot of water, I'm doing everything that is healthy, and I'm trying to keep myself very positive because that shows on your skin. Okay, what message would you like to share to the younger aspirants to be an actor? First thing that I want to tell you all guys is don't run from your house to become hero and heroine. Please don't do that. I came here with my family. My parents supported me. I know a lot of family don't support, but आप मनाइए क्योंकि वो आपके पेरेंट्स हैं, आप ही मना सकते हैं और उनके सपोर्ट से आएंगे ना तो आई एम श्योर कि आपको बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस मिलेगा. ऑल्सो जो लोग अपनी पढ़ाई छोड़ के आते हैं, आई रियली don't like the fact that people leave. I also came here only after finishing my graduation and my specialization. So please work on your talent definitely, and you know when you have it in you. So don't be a rebel, but at the same time you should have power to convince your parents, and at the same time lot of power to have lot of patience, because you don't become actor like that. It's only the lucky ones, but a lot of patience is the key to it. Next is any special message for fans that you would want to share through the wow. Okay, I want to say right now is please मेरी हाथ जोड़ के आप सबसे विनती है कि इस लॉकडाउन के माहौल पे प्लीज बाहर मत निकलिए. It's very unsafe and it is a very serious situation. Please stay indoors, stay safe, be healthy, just go out only for essentials, and please sanitize that. It is very important. It is need of the hour right now. Take care of yourself. Keep your mental and physical health in sound, in sync. Be happy. See good things. Learn new things. Digitally you can learn lot of things. या फिर please हर कोई सीखना नहीं चाहता. Just sit at home, watch movies, binge. Be happy. So just take care, be safe, and I love you all guys.